How do I even do this? What's the best way? Who can help me with this? I have the materials, but no way to combine them. No machine, no manufacturer who can handle this kind of work. How does no one solve this? I need a solution, a machine that can handle these delicate customs fabrics without running them. Someone has to make this possible. But who? There's got to be someone who knows how to bring this together. The right technology, the right people. I just need to find them. Someone has to make this possible.
Jentschmann Weldsonic Filter, precision welding and sealing for pleated filter media. The Jentschmann Weldsonic Filter is a high-performance ultrasonic welding machine designed for continuous welding, gluing, cutting, and edge sealing of pleated filter materials all in one smooth, efficient process. High welding speed achieves speeds of up to 10 meters per minute, depending on the material and number of ultrasonic heads. Precise welding width delivers a weld seam width of up to 10 millimeters for strong, reliable results. Advanced program storage store and quickly access up to 100 customizable programs for different production needs and parameters. Customizable pleat heights supports filter package heights from 10 to 100 millimeters with optional adjustments for other heights. Due to the continuous welding and gluing process, variable pleat lengths are also possible. The Weldsonic filter isn't just about welding, it's designed for complete production flexibility. Edge cutting, optional integrated edge cutting feature for clean, precise finishes. Gluing with precision, supports hot melt adhesive tapes, perfectly aligned with the filter material and activated by ultrasonic energy for a strong, lasting bond. Edge sealing, optionally cuts and seals edges simultaneously during the welding or gluing process for a smooth, durable finish. The optional temperature monitoring system constantly checks the quality of the weld and adhesive seam. With the optional seam press, the seam appearance and seam quality are further improved. The Jentschmann Weldsonic Filter is designed to boost productivity, enhance quality, and give you complete control over your filter material processing. Whether you're welding, gluing, cutting, or sealing. Ready to optimize your production line? Let's make it happen with the Weldsonic Filter.